Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login issues within the Groww application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Groww application and you're trying to log into your account, but then you face various different issues that doesn't allow you to log in at all, then there are a few things that you will need to check very carefully. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are using your correct credentials. So once you're inside the login section, make sure that you are using your correct email address and password. If you are typing your correct email address and password or choosing the login with Google option, but still you are unable to log into your account, then you will need to contact the customer support team. So open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Groww and start your search. Once you find the Groww application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see an app support option. Tap on the drop down menu and you can find the contact email. Now just tap on this email and you can select your email application, from which you can directly send an email to the support team. Within the subject, just type in failed login, and then within the main body section, type in that you have used your correct email address and password, but still you are unable to access your account. Then just mention your username or your email address, but not your password. Finally, click on the send button at the top right corner, and once your email has been sent, you will simply need to wait for their response. When you receive a response from the support team, just follow the instructions within and you will be able to regain access into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the login issues within the Groww app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.